Got expertise you're itching to share? Share what you know. Writing and Self-Publishing for Entrepreneurs by Rae Stonehouse is your step-by-step guide to putting your knowledge into a book and getting it out there. Turn expertise into legacy. Discover storytelling and marketing secrets to make a difference. Unlock self-publishing power. Elevate your status and captivate audiences worldwide. Idea to Impact with Rae Stonehouse. Embrace potential as a thought leader with actionable steps. Available at the Live for Excellence store. https://liveforexcellence.store. From crafting compelling stories to marketing strategies that actually work, this book is your all-in-one toolkit for making an impact. Don't just be an expert, become an author and amplify your message.